Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Happy Monday. And as you can tell from the thumbnail, I have another INFLUENSTER box. And this is from RIMMEL. Yes, the makeup brand, RIMMEL. There's a couple other products that I do like. There's a pressed powder of theirs that I really like. But from the thumbnail, you can tell this is a mascara. So I have not tried it yet. I was going to try it on camera, give my first impression review of it to see if it's something I like. So here's the box, and inside we have, ta-da, here's the little card. It says RIMMEL introducing our first clean mascara. Kind and Free Clean Mascara is a vegan formula containing 99% of ingredients of natural origin. A flexible and creamy texture infused with biotin to condition your eyelashes. Brush made from 100% bio-based fibers. So there we go. And that's what it looks like on the back. So this is the RIMMEL Kind and Free Mascara. See, I haven't even opened it yet. So it's supposed to be vegan, natural, all that good stuff. So on the back, let's read the claims on the back here. Lengthening, volumizing, and conditioning clean mascara. Clump free, water resistant, smudge proof, lasts up to 36 hours, and 100% bio-based brushed fibers, if I can speak. So that's what it looks like. And I think, and this is in the Black Noir 001, which I love, a black mascara. I can wear brown, and there was a blue one I got from INFLUENSTER one time from Maybelline that I loved, but black is my go-to. So let's open it up here. So the packaging's super easy to open, as most mascaras are. So that's what it looks like. Just your standard mascara tube. Now let's open up and see what the wand looks like, which it just looks like your basic mascara wand. It looks like a wand I would like. Let's see if it has a smell. Okay, it smells like new mascara, and I know that's not really that descriptive, but if you wear makeup and you open up a new mascara, it's got that new smell to it. Because sometimes if you have a mascara and you want to check to see, should I use it, smell it, and if it smells like it's gone soured or not good, throw out that mascara. That means it's time to throw it out. But this has got that good, it's a new one. Okay, so Kind and Free from RIMMEL. Let's check it out. I've got my mirror here, and let's just see how this looks. Let's see if it's something I like. Like I said, the wand looks like a wand I would like. So let's try the bottom lashes first. And let's just see if it gives me any, you know, any sort of course I would make a mess. So as you can tell from there, so definitely has given it some color there on the bottom compared to the other one. So let's be symmetrical here and put it on the other lash to see. I do like how the wand does go on the lashes and lays down the product, so I do like that. Okay, so now this is just the bottom lashes. I haven't done the top yet. So the bottom, you know, there's a little bit of lash there. You can't tell a whole lot. As you can tell, my top lashes, I don't have anything on. I don't know why I did super bright eyeshadow. I have no idea why I did that today. I just did it. Sometimes that just happens. So now let's try it on the top. And that was basically one coat, and I'll probably do another coat too. But let's just see. I do like how it spreads in between the lashes. You know, sometimes you'll get those mascaras and it'll kind of clump, and then it just gets annoying. Do you know what I'm talking about? But in this right here, I do like the way it separates the lashes. I do wish it was the color was a little bit more vibrant. I mean, I know that sounds weird, but I just wish the color was a little bit more oomph. Okay, so now let's see how that looks. So this eye right here has got the mascara on both the top and bottom. This one's just only got it on the bottom. So, you know, myself looking at it, I mean, you can definitely tell I have mascara on compared to this one. So far, so good. I mean, I'm not saying this is anything spectacular by any means, but it is working as a mascara. And now, time to work on the left lashes. Now, I sleep on my left side, so my lashes on my left side always get a little bit wonky. Does anybody else have that? And it's, so I gotta fight with it, and they'll always wanna like twist and go in every different direction, up, down, and anyway, but how eyelash should. All right, so, and here it is with both eyes. Okay, it's a mascara. I have it on. It's nice. Is it life-changing? Not really. It's nice. I mean, I do like that it's vegan, so if you're into those types of products, you would definitely want to check it out. Like I said, it's just an overall decent mascara. I don't think there's anything particularly fantastic about it. It's just a basic mascara. But I will say that I think that, you know, as a mascara, it is decent. I mean, it's all right. It's doing what a mascara is supposed to do. And that's pretty much all you can ask for, right? So I did get this for free. And that was my first impression. I got it from INFLUENSTER, which if you're interested in signing up with INFLUENSTER, I will leave the link down in the description box below. Let me know, have you tried this from RIMMEL? Do they have other products from their kind and free? I feel like this is something they're going to start doing with their, you know, having vegan products, which is nice. You know, a lot of people like to, you know, use those types of products over the other products that have the unnatural ingredients. So let me know if you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. I totally understand. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love to have you here. And with that, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.